No, you love a good challenge. I bet you can't do that. I bet I could do it. But I won't. I'm like, you do it.
I know she can do it. I can't do it because I can't take.
It's about you. Come on, Sky.
I don't like chunky stuff.
Woosah. Breathe in, breathe out. You got this. You are the man.
Okay.
You are from the Bahamas.
Okay.
You are ready for this.
Okay, all right.
You gonna do it? You got this? Don't be.
So guys, we can start off with a little bit of Irish cream.
Irish cream, easy peasy.
Okay, this part's the easy part, okay? And then we hit that with some blue curacao.
Yeah, pouring's easy. That's right.
Okay.
That's pretty. You got this. Oh, you're making two. I thought it was just one. Okay, I got this too. I can do this.
Okay, hold on.
Psych your mind.
Okay, hold on. When I make this, you can't just drink it right away. You gotta let it sit so it really turn firm. Okay, guys, this is the science behind it. This is the active ingredient that makes everything go bad, okay? Like everything's downhill from this particular point.
You know what it reminds me of?
I don't even want to know what it reminds you of. That's okay.
It's still growing. It's like a fungus.
I know. Oh my God.
What show is this for?
I don't know, dude. This feels like Bill Nye, the science guy, right? Okay, here, let's go.
Okay. You first. Oh my God. That's so good.
Come on, you could do. Oh God. Okay.
It's not bad.
I can just go one gulp, okay?
Cool.
All right. Okay, hold on. I can be honest with y'all. It don't taste bad, okay? It just really, really chunky. It's actually delicious.
I think today is the day I decided to go vegan.